Hello, it's ArmeBricks, and as we can see, we are in the ArmeBricks City in the evening, and finally I managed to add some LED lighting into a few of the buildings. So I wanted to share this update with you. So first candidate, that was the one that I've added and then fixed some other issues with the lighting, was the sit complex. As you remember, I've added 2 floors from the office sitcom. So yeah, now it is fully assembled, all the lights are installed, and everything is nice. Then the alternative for the police station, the radio station, got its lighting as well. And if you look at the end of the street, the lighthouse, it also get some lights added up. I know that it has some lights that are coming from power up functions, but still it was not enough for me. So I've ordered extra strips for adding. So as you can see, the tower itself is much brighter, and all the area is in much more light. Yeah, then as you can see from the corner right here, Sanctum Sanctorum got its light. So once I will get to the other side, we will see how it looks. But definitely, looking at the city, I'm truly amazed how much efforts and how much time went into assembling, adding the lighting, and creating this huge city. I'm really happy when I'm right here, and especially in the evenings, and I turn on all the lights in the city. It looks really, really good. So yeah, I now see how much time and efforts I spent on this. So at least it is giving back all the positive things. Anyhow, if you see that, it worries me the same as you, that there are some buildings without LED lights. So there are at least some of them, and here we have 3 in this street: the university, the Harry Potter sets right here, also in the newest street we have those new modular buildings which are without any lights, and in the street right here, the hospital and the other buildings in the opposite side does not have the LED lights. So definitely I will need to buy something and install them. Then I decided that if you remember from the last video, I will be selling this Eiffel Tower. So it is listed in Bricklink already, and the amusement park, at least half of it, will need to go. I've decided to do this step because I have more buildings that I want to put in the city, and I want to make a bit different layout right here. So we'll be adding it and removing the amusement park. So unfortunately, yeah, it is how it is. I cannot operate in more space that I have. So yeah, we'll need to use what it is. So maybe now I will remove it, but after some time some of the things will come back. So yeah, so probably let's go and check from the other angle how the city looks. Here it is. So as you can see, this street that I mentioned is totally dark, but right here the situation is much better. Sanctorum is with lights. The architect's office also finally got connected to the grid. And right here, as I mentioned, it is also dark. But this will change eventually. It's not an issue, it's just a matter of time and some money. But yeah, the Eiffel Tower, I do admit, looks really good. I will try to check if, it can stay, but definitely not this one. This one will need to go. So yeah, so these are the updates from the recent changes in the city. So hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in comments below. And yeah, I do think that I need to spend a bit more time in the city, do some more updates, do some more work right here. So yeah, see you next time. So take care. Goodbye.